subscribers and global viewers, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching. All right, getting right into today's recipe, which is cream of kale soup. Here we have just about a cup and a half of freshly washed kale. We've removed the main vein that is usually in it. We'll be using an onion, purple or yellow onion, whichever you like, 1 potato for a little body, and a vegetable cube, 4 cloves of garlic we have there, and some coconut powder. We're gonna get right into this recipe now, okay? Okay, so we've washed and scraped our veggies properly, and now we're just cutting them up and preparing them for the pot. But this is just a good time to remind you that kale is a very nutritious vegetable. In fact, it's one of our superfoods. It's very good for your blood pressure. It fights cancer. As you would have seen in our other video when we made this smoothie, we listed a number of the benefits, the different vitamins that it contains, and we'll be listing it in the description of this video as well for you. Now, soup is something that we all enjoy, and so it's a good way to, include the kale in your diet if you don't like eating it just raw as it is. So we're sharing this recipe with you today just to help to improve your overall health, or if you're working on a weight management program of any sort. Okay, here we're going to just use 2 cups of water. Add our potato, garlic, and onion. Now we're going to add our vegetable cube for flavor. And let's simmer for 10 minutes. Okay, after 10 minutes we're checking this now. I'm sure this Irish is ready. We're just checking it nonetheless. Oh yes, it's ready. Checking it. Oh yes, it goes right into this Irish, so it's ready. Good. Now I'm going to just add the kale and let it just lightly boil for about 3 minutes, no more than 3 minutes, because you don't want it to boil out fully and become soft and lose all the color and nutrients. So here we go. Carefully. Okay, all that is looking quite bulky in the pot, but don't worry about that. Once it starts boiling, it will just shrink right down. All right, there we have it, all reduced. We're going to just let this cool out for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then we blend it properly until it's smooth. And then we put it back in the pot for 2 minutes to just simmer, and then it will be ready to serve. Stay with me. All right, I'm gonna just add these to the blender now. They've cooled out. Don't want any splashing, so I'm just helping them into the blender. All right, and time to blend. All right, that's all smooth now. As you can see how smooth that looks right there. Okay, pouring back into the pot. All right, now we're going to cover this and let it simmer for just 2 minutes. All right, this is all ready now. Time to serve it up. That really rich green color. The secret to keeping that nice green rich color is to not overboil this soup. Yes, you have to make sure you're not overboiling, because you don't want to be killing the nutrients and you don't want to lose that vibrant color either. You just want to keep it looking bright and attractive to the eyes. Okay, now we're adding our coconut milk for presentation and adding our turmeric for extra health benefits, which you can see more details on that in the description of this video. If you like this video, remember to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Until next time, ciao!